Hi, I'm Chef Cody Hickman with 360 Catering YouTube channel. We're doing a little Southwest Chicken Casserole today. So what we're going to have is we're going to have a little cheddar cheese. We're going to combine all these ingredients into a big bowl. I've already done some oven roasted chicken. Dice that up a little bit, not too much. A little Rotel, tomatoes, and chilies. I did 2 cans of this. As you see, I'm not trying to get all the juice in there. I will in just a little bit. Then we have just some steamed rice that I made. Or you just cook it normal. I like to steam it. Makes the rice not as hard, a little softer. That's what you want with this dish. Some corn. We did ours on the cob. That, as you can see, ours are still a little stuck together. When I mix it up, it's not gonna matter that much. I like to do it off the cob. It just makes the flavor a little bit better when anytime you're using corn instead of canned corn or frozen corn. Some taco seasoning. I'm just gonna add in about half of it right now. When I mix it, I'm gonna mix it again, put a little more than half. So we're just gonna get our spoon and get it in here and mix it up. Smells wonderful with that taco seasoning. Now we have a special taco seasoning I can't divulge, but you can find just taco seasonings out there in your regular aisles of Mexican taco seasonings. The Mexican aisle have it, and I'm going to add the rest of it. As you saw, I put the juice of the Rotel in there. Now you see I have just a little more cheese over here, but I'm going to be putting that on top to let it melt later on. Oh. All that goodness in there. And this is a 2-quart vessel. You can, if you want to make more, of course, just double it up and do 4 quarts. That's a half Rotel pan. So you're gonna pack this in there just a little bit. Now you can do 2 different things. You can either have the tortilla chips whole in here and layer it, and then that means you just gonna put a little bit of your mix in here first, then layer it. Or I like to just crumple it right on top. And then once we do this, we're going to put it in the oven and bake it at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes. But always, 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 as I always tell you, some ovens cook faster than others, so make sure that you are checking on it here from time to time. I'm not going to put the cheese on it yet. I'm going to wait until this is all cooked. A few more. And then I'm going to put the cheese on top of it, put it back in there 5 minutes and let it cook. So we'll be back in just a little bit to show you the finished product. Okay guys, we're back here with our Southwest Chicken Casserole. And man, does that look great or not. After we cooked it, we pulled it out, put the cheddar on top of it, as you can see, and melted it for another 5 minutes. You can go a little bit further if you want a little more brown to it. Well, let's see what we got here. It smells absolutely amazing. Oh man, look at that. Look at those bright favorite. All that fragrance right there looks really amazing. I'm going to go ahead and pull over with that spoon. Try this baby out. As usual, you can get our recipes on 360cateringandevents.com. We'd love to help you with any of your catering needs. Until then, enjoy. Yeah.